best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on stage. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming on stage the man of the moment. Please put your hands together for Mr. Prasad Chalavadi, founder and managing director, Sai Silks Kala Mandir Limited, and request him to share his thoughts on this beautiful occasion.
Good morning, everyone. I want to thank one and all for being here to share our special moment and a very special milestone of our life. I am a first generation entrepreneur. Before coming here, I was working in America, living there happily. I left everything behind and came back to India to be the part of the Indian growth story. And I have identified this most vibrant, most potential, women-centric Indian ethnic industry as my future. So apart from this listing ceremony today, very special milestone, another very important milestone in our life today is today exactly we have completed 18 years of our journey. Now we are kind of a full-grown adult and we are listing our company today. And at the same note, I want to take this opportunity and thank my entire employees, my viewers, my vendors, my family, my board of directors, my auditors, to make our dream come true and by standing with us with unwavering support in our bad and good days. As you all know, today, as of today, in 18 years, we have established 54 stores, 4 successful and matured brands in 4 states of South India. So when we understood the business is matured enough to grow multiple fold, we have approached our merchant bankers, Motilal Oswal, HDFC and Nuvama, to help us out in coming out through this IPO process. And I thank them all for their professional guidance and making this IPO a grand success. And till now, our entire universe was revolving around as I told you, our employees, our vendors, viewers, our customers, our family, our board of directors and auditors. On behalf of all of them, today we welcome our new 1.3 lakh plus shareholders into this family. And I assure you, on behalf of this entire family, that we will do our best. We will, make sure this Sai Silks Kala Mandir growth story to be more successful and beautiful. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on stage and sharing your thoughts with us. Let's once again give him a big hand and many, many congratulations to you, sir. I would now like to call on stage Mr. Subhash Kelkar, CIO, BSE, to share his thoughts on this very special occasion. Let's welcome him with a round of applause.
First of all, distinguished dignitaries and friends from the fraternity, good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you who are present here at the BSE's iconic International Convention Center Hall for the listing ceremony of Sai Silks Kala Mandir Limited. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Shri Ravindra Vikram Mamidipudi, Chairman, Sai Silks Limited, Shri Prasad Chalavadi, Founder and MD, Sai Silks Limited, Srimati Jhansi Rani Chalavadi, Promoter, Sai Silks Limited, Shri K.V. Ellen Sarama, CFO, Sai Silk Limited, Shri Viral Shah, Executive Director, Head of ECM Syndication, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, Shri Jagat Dave, Head of BFSI Consumer and Retail, HDFC Bank Limited, Shri John Perincheri, Senior Group VP, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, Shri Bharadwaj Racha Madugu, Senior Vice President, Sai Silk Kalamandir Limited, and Shri Srinivasa Rao Paturi. So, welcome to all. It is our privilege to honor and host the listing ceremony of Sai Silk Kalamandir Limited on the account of successful public offer of 1221 crores. We are happy to learn and share that Sai Silk shines bright among the top 10 retailers, ethnic retail trade, which is predominantly dominated by unorganized players, carving their niche, emerging as one of the count few organized players, and offering a wide portfolio to the customers across all market segments itself signifies their success story. Really happy and wish you good luck to all of you. A little bit about BSE here. The story of BSE is the story of Indian economy. With a 149-year-old history, BSE is one of the oldest working public institutions in India, having created wealth to the tune of more than US $3.2 trillion, including equity and debt. BSE is the world's largest exchange in terms of the number of listing companies, which stands at whopping 5,226, probably one added today. And it is in the International Convention Center Hall, this very hall, that we have witnessed the development of the Indian capital markets over several decades, first as a trading ring for the brokers and in the 90s, and then as a convention hall post-digitization. Benchmark index of BSE Sensex is tracked by investors across globe and has grown since India opened its economy in 1991. The S&P BSE Sensex and S&P BSE BankX derivatives contracts, which were recently relaunched on 15th of May, witnessed a significant turnover and has been witnessing a consistent rise in both turnover and open interest for these contracts, which have a unique expiry. BSE has recently launched Social Stock Exchange for registration and listing of social enterprises and has received great response. To conclude, we are confident that by listing on BSE, Sai Silk Kalamandir Limited will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base to further deepen its line of business and adhering to the strong governance standards that we each of us expect from us. BSE looks forward to being Sai Silk's preferred fundraising partner continually as it expands its reach and grows in scale. I wish this esteemed entity all the very best on account of this successful listing. Thank you very much all.
And now, to commemorate the significance of this occasion, we will now have exchange of mementos. May I now request Mr. Subhash Kelkar, CIO, BSE, to present a memento to Mr. Prasad, founder and MD of Sai Silk Kalamandir. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And now please welcome Mr. Srinivasa Rao Paturi. And now please welcome Mr. KVLN Sharma. And now please welcome Mrs. Jhansi Rani Chalavadi. And now please welcome Mr. Vikram. We would also like to invite our BRLMs on stage. Please welcome Mr. John Perincherry. Mr. Jagat Dave. Please welcome Mr. Viral Shah. Mr. Viral Shah. May I now request Mr. Prasad Chalavadi, MD and founder of Sai Silks Kala Mandir, to come on stage to present a special memento to Mr. Subhash Kelkar, CIO, BSc. Thank you all the dignitaries for joining us on stage. We will now do the... So before we proceed to the ceremony, I would once again like to remind you all that please be seated while the ceremony happens on the stage, because we have cameras behind recording the moment. All our photographers also, please ensure that you are seated. I repeat, आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि जब सेरेमनी स्टेज पे हो रही है तो आप प्लीज अपनी अपनी सीट्स पर बैठे रहें, बिकॉज कैमरास पीछे स्पेशल मोमेंट को रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. So now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all have been waiting for has arrived, a very historic moment when Sai Silks Kala Mandir Limited will see itself get listed on the stock exchanges of India. I would invite the entire team on stage. May I invite the management of SSKL on stage. I would also request book running lead managers and distinguished guests to kindly gather around the gong for the gong ringing ceremony. So we have 40 seconds to go, and as we get closer, please do join me in the countdown, starting with 10 when the timer strikes 10. $20 seconds, 15 seconds. So are we all ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Sai Silks Kala Mandir Limited is now officially listed on the stock exchanges, and it has been a huge milestone in the journey of the company. Many, many congratulations. I think the claps should go on for a few more seconds. We'd like to thank Mr. Subhash Kelkar, CIO, BSc, for joining us. He has to leave for an urgent meeting. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us for the ceremony. Once again, many congratulations to the entire team. So let's continue with the ceremony. Moving forward, we will present mementos to some very special partners whose contribution have been invaluable in the successful listing of Sai Silks Kalaman.